Okay, we have the Zero 4-stage air purifier, so let's get on with this. Okay, the next step is to set this machine up. Remove the front panel. We've got the pre-filter here, which I'm just about to unclip and remove. After we remove the plastic, these help to hold it in place during transport, so they do need to be removed. So simply use the tabs, pull down. This removes the pre-filter. So this is collecting all of the larger particles of dust, pet dander, all of the things that are going to clog up your machine. So the idea is it'll collect on there and prolong the life of the filters behind it, which I'm now about to open. So this obviously is a warning that you do need to remove the plastic wrapping. And there's the plastic wrapping here, so basically activated carbon filter on the front and your hospital grade HEPA filter on the back. So I'll simply remove those. And very simple to put on the machine. Just while I'm doing that, just note that the airflow is going to be running through the machine this way. So obviously that HEPA filter will slide into here nicely. Look how clean and smart it is. You can also see on here that we will put in the activated carbon filter. Very simple to do so. Fits in there like that. We reach for our pre-filter again. You really can't make a mistake in the order of putting these in. You'll see a couple of tabs at the bottom, simply there. Push that in, clip this into place. The machine's nearly ready to start. We've now got the front, so simple to put on and also to take off when needed. It's got some magnetic strips here. There we go, the machine is ready to start. Obviously we now plug it in. You can hear the power going into the unit. Very simple. We have our on off. And there we have it, the machine started. So easy, a simple machine to use. Thank you.